Assalamualaikum, lupis ketan wong Palembang. Lemak nian. Lupisnya lembut ya, ditaburi dengan kelapa parut dan disiram air gula merah yang kental, yang manis, yang sedap sekali. Yang mau order silakan ya. Kita ada 2 paket. Paket A isi 20 harganya 100.000. Paket B isinya 30 harganya 150. Hubungi Tayudis 0813 6770 2798. Ditunggu, terima kasih. Salam lupis wong Palembang, memang lemak nian.
I can't forget the day we met. You look so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love, you won't ever be alone, my summer.